Hello primary 5. Today we will talking about dividing by powers of 10 and relations in powers of 10. To divide by 10, 100, 1000, move the decimal point to the left. 10, move the decimal point one place to the left. 100, 2 places to the left. 1000, 3 places to the left. 1 place according to, we have here a 0 in the 10. 2 places, 2 zeros in 100. 3 places according to 3 zeros in 1000. Okay. 14.36 divided by 10. Divided, move to the left. Move back to the left. Take the point with you when moving. So we will move one step. Your answer, it will be 1.436. See, we'll take the point here. The point will sit here. This is your answer. Second, okay, we have 5.87 divided by 100. Okay, zeros on the left has no value. We can ignore it. Now, take the point and back 2 steps according to 2 zeros in 100. First step, from here to here. Second step, from here to here. The point will set here, 0.0587. Now, we have here divided by 1000. So, move the decimal point to the left 3 places, 3 moves back. 1, 2, 3. The point will set between 2 and 5. 2.5698. Okay. 57,435 divided by 10. Okay. Now this number has no point. So we will move back, but from which position? Start moving from once. 1 step back. From here to here, again, from here to here. The point will sit here between 3 and 5. As you see, when we divide the whole number by 10, we put a decimal point after 1 digit from the right, yes, means move back. Now, we will move back 2 places to the left. Okay, start from the ones and count back 2 steps. 1, 2. The point will sit here between 4 and 3. Yes. 574.35. Now we will move back 3 steps. There is no point to start from the ones place and count the 3 steps back. 1, 2, 3. The point will be between 7 and 4. Now, to divide by the inverse of 10 and the inverse of 100 and the inverse of multiplication, 1000. 0.1, move the decimal point 1 place to the right. 0.01, move the decimal point 2 places to the right. 0.001, move the decimal point 3 places to the right. Or in other words, divide. By divide, convert or change it into multiplication. This is divide sign, okay? So we will move back. And also when you see 0.1 is the inverse of 10, we will also move back. So divide. On divide, convert it into multiplication. So we will solve this problem according to multiplication system. Move the decimal point to the right 1 digit. So we will take the point to the right 1 digit. Again. Divide, and this is also divide. Divide, convert into multiplication. What do you do in a multiplication? Move the decimal point to the right. How many digits according to how many digits in front of the decimal point? We have here 2. So we will move to the right 2 steps. First step and second step after 0. Second step here. Another one. Divide, and also this is divide. Divide, convert into multiplication. We will take the point to the right according to how many moves, how many digits here in front of the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. The point will sit between 6 and 3. This is second move up, and here the first move for the first problem. Here 3 moves. Okay, now find the result of each of the following. The first one, this is the answer. Okay, let us see how to get this. Here divided whole 100. So move the decimal point to the left. How many moves? 2 moves. Take the point and move back 2 moves. 1, 2. 7.4536. Now divide, and also this is divide. Divide on divide will convert it into multiplication. Multiplication, move the decimal point to the right. But here the problem has no decimal point. Start moving from the ones and move 2 steps to the right. Like this. 1, 2. Empty space or empty places. We will add 2 zeros. Here, decimal point, it's okay. Divide and also divide. Divide on divide will convert into multiplication. As a multiplication, do take the decimal point and move to the right according to how many digits in front of the decimal point. So we will move 1 step right. We will take the point with us. We're moving from here to here, between 3 and 8. 73.89. Okay. Yes. Now, complete each conversation. Then write a multiplication and the division equation with the same answer. This is a metric system chart for length. Kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter. From big to small, we'll do multiplication. From kilometer to meter multiplied by 1000, meter to centimeter multiplied by 100, centimeter to millimeter multiplied by 10. From small to big, millimeter to centimeter divided by 10, or you can multiply by the inverse of 10. 1 over 10 is 0.1 centimeter to meter divided by 100, or times by 0.01 meter to kilometer divided by 1000, or you can multiply by the inverse of 1000. Here we wanted to convert between centimeter to meter. Now this is the rule. Concentrate on the letter beside the number, centimeter. Centimeter is smaller than or greater than meter. Smaller than. So from small to big, we should divide. Divide by what? By 100. Divide means move back, move left. How many digits? 2, because we have here 2 zeros. So we will move from where we have here no point, from ones. 1, 2, 5.12. If we want this problem again to get the same result, but with the multiplication sign, okay. First up, we divide by whole 100. If we converted it into multiplication, so multiplication by the inverse of 100. 1 over 100 is 0.01. So we will write here 0.01 to get the same result. This is for divided by whole to get the first. Okay. Now we have here 700 gram equals 0.7 kilogram. Now this is a chart for kilogram. Kilogram for the heavy objects and gram for the heavy, light objects. From big to small, don't forget to multiply by 1000, only 1000. From small to big, divide by 1000, or if you want to put a multiplication, okay, don't forget to inverse 1000, 0.00. Now, we have here 700 gram. Gram or kilogram, which one is big? Sure, kilogram. But the letter beside the number is only gram. So he asked here to convert between small to big. From small to big, we should divide. Divide by a whole 1000. So we will write here 700 divided by 1000. Divided means move back to the left. Take the decimal point and move back to the left 3 steps back. Or if you haven't a decimal point, start moving from the ones place and count 3 steps back. 1, 2, 3. The point will set here, so we have our answers is 0.7. If we do it by a multiplication, so multiplication by what to get the same result? By the inverse, 0.001. Okay. Now 2345 milliliter equals how milliliter? This number, this is my number, and milliliter, the letter beside the number is smaller than liter. Don't forget, from big to small, multiply by 1000. From small to big, divide by 1000, or multiply by 0.001. Here, if we want to solve this problem by divided, so divided by 1000 means count 3 steps back to the left. We have it here in a decimal point, so we will start moving from the ones place. 1, 2, 3. The point will sit here, 2.345. If we do it by a multiplication, so multiplication by the inverse of 1000, 0.001. Okay, this is divided, so we will count back 3 steps back. We will get the same result, 2.345 meters. Okay, I hope you understand our lesson today, and thank you for listening. See you soon.